Hello guys, back to my video. So today, we're going to play the game in Drive the Train. So anyways guys, that's a funny game that I just showed you. So anyways guys, I'm going to just wait! I'm going to just put more trains in there. So anyways, oh my god guys, okay. So anyways guys, we're going to just, I'm going to put more trains, but I don't know. Okay, fine.
Which going the front?
No.
Which color are you? Yan.
Red. Okay. What?
Picture.
I can't. How? Hello. Hello. Hello, baby girl. Okay.
Go in the
Okay.
go in the back, kuya.
Okay.
Go in the back. I'm not the front.
Okay.
Sino yan?
Not me.
Sino
Not
yan?
me.
His name is...
Not me. I'm not trolling.
His name is this one.
Okay, yes, I know. Not me. I'm at the back.
Pen.
Why? I know. What?
Yamata no Orochi.
Kamaraka to Lucy. Lucy. Okay, so we're going to just watch the movie of Minecraft Theater. So, anyways guys, we're going to make a different video on long videos. Let me know in comments. Huh? What? Why? Did I just glitch the game? I glitched the game.
Go back.
Again.
Go behind.
I glitched the game. How? Why did I just glitch the game?
Mama!
I'm going to ride.
Oh.
Okay. I'm going to ride the train in order. I will just glitch the everyone guys, right? I will just glitch it. Again.
Bye-bye, guys.
Okay.
Let's have a race.
Yes.
3, 2... Not yet!
Oh good.
No.
I'm going to put more trains guys, right? I'm going to put all.
Bye.
I will not put. Look at me. Bro, why am lagging?
The hell?
Why am lagging?
Look what happened.
What happened? Why? I just put more. Oh wait, I just accidentally put more guys. Oh my god. Okay. I did not put. You can't see me. You can't see me. It was the people. It was player. I think he did it. Not me.
Let's have a race.
Yes, I know. Wait for me. Hey. Wait. Wait for me. Wait. Wait. I said wait or else I'll leave. Wait. I said let's have a race. Have a race. 3 to 1. You can't see me. Come on. Let's have a race. 3 to 1. Where am I going? Okay. What are you doing, huh?
You
Okay.
drive, bro.
What?
How?
What happened? Hey! How? Why did I just, no internet? I have no internet. Why? Why did I have no internet? Bro, stop. Wait for me. Okay, what's that? Okay, so, otherwise, guys, what's that, guys? Why there's no internet in mine? So, let me know in the comments, guys. I need to charge, but I don't have it. Okay, anyways. Wait, I need to charge. Wait, where's the saksakan?
Bye-bye.
Where is it?
Again.
Where? Where's
Bye.
the saksak? Please stop. Hey, please stop arguing. Please, I wanna... Or else I will leave. Wait. Where's the saksak?
Ay, nanok man.
Where's my saksak? Baby has 3 medals.
And that's it.
Saksak.
Ito na lang.
Saksak. Where's my food stuff?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
I don't have finding success. Wait for
So
me.
you were banning me the whole time. What do you mean by?
Hey! Stop that, that's a player! This player annoying. That's it, I'm going to okay.
Don't. I'm going to be big.
Okay.
Meow meow.
Oh, oh my god. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Come on.
Okay,
Yes.
never mind. I fell in the void
Come on, push
because
me.
of it.
Ooh. Okay.
He keeps trying to ride.
Oh wait. It's not the baby.
Drunk to dry.
Ooh. Yeah. Come on.
Don't.
Okay.
I'm not with you.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's easier.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wait, sorry.
And then,
Hey, stop it. Well,
yeah,
sorry. I accidentally jumped it. That's okay. Baby. What? Wait, baby. Okay. Wait, please, baby. Wait. Okay. Oh wait. No, I'm one person, guys. Oh my god, can I end or not? How? Oh, I'm going to.
Don't delete the yellow car.
Okay.
I'm
I love you,
for
baby.
I'm close to you. I see.
No, you can't see me. Hey.
Let me see you.
No.
Dikaw.
I'm going to just. Crash my internet again.
Wait.
You can't make me. Ha! Joker, loser. I'm going to go. Do not kill me. Yeah, I'm going to win.
Sometimes when I go faster.
Let's go, win. Oh wait. Ah! Okay, I'm going to end. Can I end or not? Okay, I will just
If someone's coming.
What?
Someone's coming.
Okay, come on.
I'm going to beat that guy.
Come on. Okay.
I fell.
Ata. Come on. We.
Get that thing removed.
Oh, yes. I push player, guys. Hey.
Get that guy out of here, Elian.
Okay.
Elian, that guy killed me.
Oh, fine. Okay, I will. Okay. Wait, let me just charge.
I'm not done.
How?
Join me.
I can't. I wanna sneak you around it.
Join me.
Hey, what? Fine. Okay, so goodbye, guys.